In September, CBC reported on the results of an access to information request for submissions to Environment Minister Tim Hallman about the Coastal Protection Act. The legislation was passed in 2019, but still has not been proclaimed. It's intended to outline where it's safe for people to build along the coastline and increase protection for things such as sand dunes. The request turned up 178 responses, most of which called on Hallman to make the legislation law. A few days later, Environment Department officials said they discovered additional records in junk email folders that should have been released. But CBC didn't get those additional records until a couple of weeks ago. A few days after they finally arrived, the department called to say they found even more. In total, 900 additional pages of records that contained 863 submissions to Hallman were found. All but 2 called on the minister to proclaim the act. The letters highlight concerns about climate change, aggressive and potentially unsafe coastal development, and the risks that were laid bare when post-tropical storm Fiona bashed into the province in 2022. Some writers say the minister's inaction puts people at risk. Last year, the minister backed away from a commitment to make the act law, and in the summer, Hallman ordered a 3rd round of public consultation. The work wrapped up at the end of December, but the minister has yet to release those findings. Michael Gorman, CBC News, Halifax.